Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Binance app on your mobile phone. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen, then open it. After that, tap onto the search button and type Binance and search for it. Now here you can find the Binance account right here. Now tap on it. Now to download it, simply tap on to get. Now the phone will ask for your confirmation. Now confirm it. Now wait for a few seconds and your app will be downloaded. Now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open the app, simply tap on to open button right here. Now the app is also opened. And you can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Binance account on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.